面上的老妇人正要上公车，不料一阵暴风雪来袭，几乎将整个人给吹进车里。罕见暴雪侵袭土耳其各地，放眼所及，一片银白世界，连地中海度假胜地都降下大雪，为近35年首见，却也使得土耳其陷入全国大瘫痪。由于受到暴风雪影响，土耳其伊斯坦堡机场连续2天暂停所有航班，大批乘客受困机场，一度引发不满抗议潮，就连机场仓库的屋顶都被吹垮，损失惨重。包括邻近的希腊也饱受雪灾之苦，不仅一度大停电，数千名驾驶受困车内，动弹不得，或是油料耗尽，抱怨连连。
We were all trying to move our cars forward inch by inch, but we couldn't. Then I got stuck here last night. At least I think. I've lost track of time. We managed to go a further 50 meters, and that's it. I've been right here since last night.
由于陆空交通严重受阻，希腊军警赶紧出动，连夜支援，发送食物与饮用水，解决燃眉之急。而风雪之下，还形成罕见奇观。
A storm also triggered a rare snownado, or snowy funnel cloud across Skopelos Island after a water spout moved on shore.
在积雪覆盖的地面上方形成极少见的白色雪龙卷。面对极端天候发威，土耳其与希腊几乎成了一座大冰库，出门甚至得要滑雪代步。相关当局与民众措手不及，只能期盼灾情降到最低。三立新闻金雪慧报道。